All right. In this video, we're gonna focus on chi-square calc, that's chi-square calculated or statistics. So, in case you have not watched the video on chi-square tabulated or chi-square critical, all you just have to do here is to hit the subscribe button and you will have the full video here. Okay, now let's know what is chi-square calculated. Now when we are saying about chi-square calculated, this is the chi-square we calculate. Okay, when we are saying about chi-square tabulated, we calculate that from the table, from the natural table, which I told you guys in our previous video. Okay, now let's try to know the formula for chi-square calculated. So the formula for chi-square calculated is this, that's chi-square calc, chi-square calc is equal to the sum of observed frequency row and column minus expected frequency row and column all squared over expected frequency row and column here. Please take notes. Okay, now class, let me just try to stabilize you guys in this formula here. This summation here is affecting both the numerator and denominator, while this guy here is the observed frequency in row and also in column. Now remember that we say that if you have a table in terms of chi-square test, if you have a table in terms of chi-square test, that values you are seeing there is said to be observed frequencies. So observed frequencies are always known, while this guy here, which is expected, as the name implies, expected, that means you are expecting the number. So that means it's not given to us in the table, you are expecting the number. So what is actually the formula to calculate for expected frequency? So the formula to calculate for expected frequency here is said to be E of ij is equal to the total row times the total column over overall total. So you can also call this guy here the grand total in case in your OBJ. You can also call this overall total the grand total. Please take note of that. So we are going to know how to make use of this formula. Okay, so all we have to do here is to hit the subscribe button and get the full video on chi-square calc. Okay, is to hit the subscribe button and get the full video on chi-square calc. Okay, and also chi-square tabulated. Our next video is focusing on calculating both chi-square calc, chi-square tab, and how to state if the statement is rejected or if the statement is accepted. Okay, there's what we call a decision rule when a statement is rejected and when a statement is accepted. Please take note. Okay.